If you're a content creator, YouTuber, graphic designer, or anyone on the lookout for mind-blowing digital assets, you've come to the right place. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey as we explore the amazing world of Envato Elements, your go-to destination for all things design, editing, and creativity, and one of the most incredible resources for creators. Envato Elements. Picture this. You're working on an exciting new project, a video, a website, a presentation, or even a blog post. You need the perfect video template that sets the tone, eye-catching photos that capture attention, captivating music that stirs emotions, and stylish fonts that make your content pop. But oh, the struggle of searching for each element separately. It can drain both your time and your budget, leaving you feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. But fear not, because Envato Elements is here to save the day. Envato Elements is like an awe-inspiring treasure chest brimming with millions of creative goodies waiting to be discovered. The best part? With just a single subscription, you gain the power of unlimited downloads. Yes, you heard that right. No more counting each asset or worrying about extra charges. You can download to your heart's content and let your imagination run wild. Envato Elements is a powerful platform that offers an impressive array of graphics, music, and templates at your fingertips. With just a few clicks, you can access a treasure trove of creative assets to elevate your projects and bring your ideas to life. To register on Envato Elements, you will find the link in the first comment or check the description box. Now let's set off on an exhilarating tour and explore the wonders of Envato Elements. First stop, Video Hive. It's like entering a massive gallery of over 200,000 graphic templates designed to leave you in awe. From breathtaking stock video footage that tells stories on its own, to dynamic motion graphics that add a touch of magic to your creations, you'll find everything you need to create visuals that resonate with your audience. Music lovers rejoice. Audio Jungle is your haven, filled with over 1.9 million tracks and audio goodies, all waiting to be discovered. These tunes have been crafted with love by a talented community of musicians and sound artists from around the world. Whether you need a soft melody to tug at heartstrings or a peppy tune to get your audience grooving, Audio Jungle has it all. And here's a fantastic twist. If you're a budding music designer or artist, you can even contribute your own masterpieces and become a featured creator, spreading your creative wings far and wide. Calling all graphic and web designers. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of Graphic River. Imagine stepping into an infinite library of over 180,000 graphic templates, each waiting to be molded into something extraordinary. Product mock-ups that make your creations tangible. Infographics that turn data into visual stories, logos that symbolize brands with brilliance. Graphic River has it all. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your creative journey, this treasure trove has the design elements that will elevate your creations to a whole new level. Web designers gather round. Code Canyon is your gateway to crafting captivating WordPress websites with ease. Imagine unlocking a vault of 5,000 creative assets, including top-notch themes and plugins that turn your visions into reality. No more tedious coding, no more sleepless nights. Code Canyon is your knight in shining armor, ensuring your web projects shine brighter than ever before. Photographers and visual enthusiasts, this one's for you. You're surrounded by a vast collection of over 4.2 million royalty-free stock images, each telling a story of its own. From breathtaking nature shots that transport you to serene landscapes, to delectable food photography that makes your taste buds tingle, and sleek tech visuals that celebrate innovation. The pricing. Envato Elements offers flexible subscription plans that cater to your unique creative needs. The first plan starts at just $33 per month. Perfect for those short-term bursts of creativity when you need quick access to top-notch content. The annual plan, for only $198 a year, you unlock an impressive 50% discount, making it a fantastic deal for anyone looking to invest in long-term creative projects. Imagine having an entire year to explore, create, and innovate without any limitations. That's the power of the annual plan. Now here's a little secret that makes Envato Elements even more lovable. The licensing is refreshingly simple. Once you download an item, you receive an ongoing license for its use. This means you can use the same item in multiple projects without any worries. But remember, no reselling or redistributing allowed. In conclusion, Envato Elements is an incredible resource that caters to all your creative needs. It's a one-stop shop, a treasure trove, and a sanctuary for designers, artists, developers, and creators of all kinds. With an abundance of digital assets at your fingertips, your creative journey is about to reach new heights. So, whether you're a blogger, freelancer, web designer, content creator, or developer, Envato Elements is the perfect creative oasis you've been searching for. Dive in, explore its vast resources, and see your ideas come to life with the unparalleled power of Envato Elements by your side. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more awesome content. Also, don't forget to click on the link in the first comment or check the description box to register on Envato Elements. Thank you.